Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Brave app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.